Step 1, switch on. Then when we want to make vacuum, just green button. It's this green light is meaning that this vacuum is on full capacity and that we can to lift that. But now we want to take Grabo out from tiles, and that is on the next way. Green, red. It's finished. It's very important, green, red. Example, if you have Grabo on some glass, on some material, and by mistake click red, he will continue to make vacuum. Grabo know that this is your mistake. Here is 2 filters to protect vacuum pump. It's coming in set. This you can buy separately.